47 the next.
There's a down here.
There's a down here.
Do better than Jed Domke. Better than Jed Domke.
Go ahead, now.
Just went out and failed out west. Took a bad shot on a turkey. It was
10 yards he missed.
10 yards. I mean, it was sad.
Give him the camera and tell Matthew, say, Jed Domke, you're going down.
Jed Domke, you're going down.
That a boy. That a boy. You tell him. Well, this one's definitely for the 1080 outdoor team. This is what we're all about. Turn a kid that is passed out. I mean, we've had such a lack of turkeys this morning. I keep staring at this bush right here, and I think it's moving. I really believe that there's a turkey underneath that bush. But I've looked at it like 5 times with my binoculars, so I know better. Here we go.
Got him. Give him again. Whoa, hold on.
Just wait.
We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Just hold still.
Just hold still.
You got him.
Nice job, buddy.
Yep. He's done.
Good job, bud. Good job, buddy.
All right, we got to get a little recording of you saying this one's for you, Jed.
Chad? What's his name?
Jed.
Jed.
J-E-D, Jed.
Okay.
Ready?
This one's for you, Jed.
That's what a dead turkey looks like.
Awesome.
First turkey. Slow morning though, but
Yeah.
it's really cold
Slow
out.
morning, but
I
it's pretty
actually
cold
fell
out.
asleep in the blind, so.
He took his guarantee of seeing a turkey this morning. It took longer than expected, but guarantee came through.
Guarantee ended up being a big bird, right?
Yeah.
We're scoping out. We're actually watching 3 toms. We separated from a group of hens, and it's where we can hunt this year. We're kind of watching where they're going to roost, figuring out what we're gonna do on Saturday for the youth hunt. Pretty much what we're just trying to do here is, what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be terrible weather, but this is like a really steep valley, and I've seen them down here all spring. So I assume they're still gonna be down here, at least if it's out of the wind a little bit, they'll be down here. Got a standing cornfield, so we're gonna set up a blind over there, and hopefully get this kid another turkey.
Alrighty, guys, it's 6:20. Daylight. Opening day of youth season. Old Taylor Henry set this hunt up. There's another couple guys over in the blind right next to us. What's that say? Is that threatening? It says literally daylight, and we just got set up. It'll be a miracle if a bird comes in this field. It's so daylight that Jake is about to shoot a turkey with his youth hunter, and we haven't even really start. Fair enough.
We were told to meet at 5:15.
Not a minute late.
Can't be a minute later, you'll get left. Taylor rolls out of bed at 5:15. So needless to say, we're pretty sure we blew this spot up on the walk-in.
Here we are. That's mine. Got a couple. He's got these weird toms coming towards us. Right, set up for you.
So we're back at the truck now. And what happened today, Jed?
Well, Taylor slept in. And the turkeys won't cross the fence because they're idiots. They're confused.
What do you think?
It was annoying.
I mean, can we all say we're a little happy with seeing the amount of turkeys that we saw?
Yeah, seeing probably 15 to 20 turkeys, most of them down, yeah.
We're just gonna change the setup a little bit tomorrow, and then
It's starting half hour late made a difference, I think.
Somebody's had to sleep in.
that was me. I'm gonna take that one to the bank. So you driving? Hey, you're driving. This is what happens when we miss turkeys. Cops come. Go to local establishments to have some breakfast in the sleet. Snow's starting now. Oh my gosh! Fighting bad weather. I woke up late. Slept in for unknown reasons. Ryan, you come hunting tomorrow, Ryan?
I shoot a big gobbler.
Great way to start your Saturday.
Ice, snow. We're hunting penguins. Day 2 youth hunt. About. Wait till you see the amount of snow outside. Worked until 11 last night. Snowed my whole shift. I'm guessing it snowed most of the night. It actually is not snowing right now. It looks like the wind kind of died down. So we might be in for something special. A little snowbird. Well, Jetty's here. Made her in the snow, man.
You know, I don't think I've ever driven on roads this bad for turkey hunting.
But overall, I mean, we're looking at some good weather right now. We're looking at about 29 degrees. The wind died down. It's not even snowing right now. It's not supposed to snow until 8.
Second day of Wisconsin Youth Hunt.
15th of April.
It's an aggressive snowfall.
I don't think I've ever hunted in one this aggressive.
We have turkeys gobbling around us right now. So we're hoping that Sam Boy can put the hammer down on something.
Sitting in the blind right next to us.
Absolute nightmare setup for like seeing things. We have a corner road to pretty much shoot through.
We're not gonna see turkeys until they're in range, so. But that's better than only seeing turkeys out of range, I guess.
Shoot, shoot.